Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the question that one of you actually brought up. And that question is, what would you do if your hair was falling out? And I thought that this was a really good question. So I was like, you know what? If my hair was falling out, these are the things that I would do. Now my hair is not falling out, but I definitely have experienced what it's like to have excessive hair fall. Alright, so let's get to it. Number one, first thing that I would do is I would stop stressing out about it, because stress actually contributes to making your hair fall even more. Stress can trigger a lot of things, especially if you have alopecia or if you have PCOS, as I've mentioned on my previous videos. So I would refrain from me being stressed out over things that I currently cannot control. And then I would try to de-stress myself, and in order to do that, I will have to identify the things that stresses me out or the things that contributes stress into my life, and then deal with it. And I will extend more kindness to myself. Now the second thing is that I would try to look at the products that I'm using, because sometimes if you try out new shampoos or new conditioner, they can potentially be the culprit of why your hair is falling out. There's some hair care products that sometimes just doesn't work well with your hair, or sometimes it's too harsh on your hair, or it makes your hair dry and brittle. So I would definitely look into the hair care products that I am using. The third one is I am going to look through my diet. Now sometimes I keep a food diary of what I'm eating, just to check and see and look back if I was eating healthy or not, because as I've said, your nutrition does play a huge role in your hair growth, and also just to check and see if the foods that I'm eating are nutritious, or if I'm under eating, because sometimes when you undereat or if you lose weight really quick, that can also be the cause of why your hair is falling out. So I would definitely look into my diet. And number four, after assessing my diet, I would definitely correct my diet and eat healthy. Now the foods that I'm going to be concentrating and I'm going to be eating more are the foods that are rich in biotin and the foods that are rich in protein. And also to that, I will be diligently taking in my hair supplements, maybe double up on that a little bit, and also accompany it with a collagen supplement, because collagen supplements are not only great for making your hair grow long, strong, and healthy, but also it's really great for your skin as well. So it's kind of like killing two birds in one stone. Now the next step that I would do is I would go to my doctor and have my blood checked and my hormones checked. I think it was way back in 2015. My skin broke out and I didn't really know what was wrong with me, so I went ahead and got all of my blood checked and all that, just because I want to know exactly what was wrong with my body. And my doctor actually mentioned about my hormones and all that, and he emphasized there that our hormones, especially as women, when it's imbalanced, it will affect your skin and your hair. It's really good to have your hormones checked and also your blood checked. Me getting my blood check has really helped me a lot, because from there I knew the things that I was lacking, so I was able to supplement it. Alright, so the next one is I will take in some iron supplements. Now if you are anemic or if you lack iron, sometimes that could be the cause of your excessive hair fall. Now I've actually experienced this before. When I wasn't taking iron supplements, I would notice that I would have a lot of hair fall, but ever since I was diligent in taking in my iron supplements, my excessive hair fall stopped. And then the next one is, if I know for sure I am going to go ahead and work towards fixing my hormones. Now, if you guys want, I could make a whole video on how to balance out your hormones, just because that topic alone is very long to explain, and that is a whole new video on its own. So I'm gonna work towards fixing my hormones, because if you fix your hormones, your hair is gonna stop falling out, your hair is gonna grow healthy and long, your skin is going to be amazing, your mood is going to be great, and your weight is going to be stable, because believe it or not, your hormones sometimes can affect your weight as well. So I'm just gonna insert this clip right here, just because I totally forgot to mention this in the video. The next thing that I would do is I would focus on buying and using hair growth based products. So whether it be shampoo, conditioner, or hair mask, hair growth DIYs, or even serums, because there's a lot of leave-in hair growth serums that are for the scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that as well. and simply concentrate on using those specific products. So I would definitely go for some herbal or organic hair care products because I know that that is going to be way healthier for my hair, especially if I'm dealing with fragile hair. So I would definitely go and use those products. And then number 9, I will get more sleep. Now I know that probably some of you are like, what? Really? Sleep? Because here's the thing. Sleep is important for protein synthesis of your hair and as well as proper release of growth hormones and other hormones. Now, if you guys are interested in this topic, I can actually make a whole video about this, explaining the importance of sleep and the correlation of getting enough sleep and your hair growth. So that is it, you guys. Those are the exact things that I'm going to do if my hair was falling out. This is such a great question. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!